Feeling that frustrating leg weakness after 60? Science reveals specific vitamins unlock faster strength gains. Tired of legs feeling weaker? What if I told you specific vitamins could help build stronger legs? And fast, even after 60? Are you getting enough of the crucial vitamins your aging leg muscles crave? You don't have to accept losing leg strength just because you are over 60. Discover 3 essential vitamins to boost muscle function, enhance performance, and get stronger legs fast. Let's explore this together. Have you considered that while protein and exercise are vital, robust leg strength and functional capability in seniors over 60 fundamentally depend on providing your body with sufficient amounts of key vitamins that support muscle contraction, nerve signaling, bone health, and energy metabolism, and that subtle shortages can quietly undermine your lower body's power? It's not your imagination that maintaining strong legs feels more challenging after 60 as you age. Factors like age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, changes in nutrient absorption, and decreased efficiency of physiological processes that support muscle and nerve function can all impact leg strength. Vitamins act as essential cofactors in countless biochemical reactions within muscle cells, in transmitting nerve signals from your brain to your legs, and in converting food into energy that fuels movement. Often, a lack of sufficient amounts of specific vitamins doesn't cause acute illness, but manifests as that creeping weakness in your legs. Reduced stamina for walking, increased unsteadiness, or difficulty with tasks requiring lower body strength. This subtle nutritional gap, often overlooked amidst the focus on macronutrients or exercise routines, is quietly contributing to your reduced leg strength and mobility. Have you ever felt your legs tire easily? Noticed a decrease in their power for climbing or standing? Or wondered if your diet is truly supporting your leg muscles and nerves as you age? Beyond just general healthy eating? This isn't just typical aging. It points to the specific nutritional needs of aging leg muscles and the systems that control them, and how well you are meeting those needs, particularly regarding essential vitamins for strength. Doctors might emphasize protein and exercise, but the targeted importance of specific vitamins for building and maintaining leg strength fast in seniors over 60 is not always highlighted. Yet, understanding and consistently ensuring sufficient intake of these specific vitamins holds a crucial key to fighting age-related leg weakness and maintaining robust lower body power. The immense significance of specific vitamins in supporting muscle function, nerve health, bone integrity, which provides the framework for muscles, and energy metabolism, all foundational to maintaining leg strength and mobility in seniors over 60, is now a major area of research. Unlike simply feeling tired from lack of sleep, persistent leg weakness can be linked to cellular inefficiencies or impaired neuromuscular function influenced by nutrient status. Issues like insufficient vitamin D, linked to muscle strength, B12, critical for nerve function and energy, or vitamin C, essential for collagen in connective tissue and anti-inflammatory, often function in the background. There are no blaring sirens signaling that your leg muscles lack the cofactors for efficient energy production or that nerve signals are weakening due to nutrient deficiencies. These vitamin gaps gradually undermine your body's ability to generate and utilize energy effectively, support muscle contraction, and maintain nerve communication until the cumulative effects become undeniable: chronic leg weakness, reduced stamina for walking, poorer balance, and a noticeable decline in physical capability requiring leg strength. A powerful finding revealed by numerous studies focusing on aging, muscle function, and nutrition. Seniors over 60 are at increased risk for deficiencies in certain Vitamins vital for leg strength and function. And addressing these deficiencies can lead to significant improvements in muscle strength and physical performance, sometimes relatively fast compared to waiting. The worst thing isn't even that these deficiencies occur. It's that many seniors over 60 don't realize how powerfully simple everyday foods rich in specific vitamins can provide the necessary support to maintain or regain their leg strength. This process of silent vitamin insufficiency and its impact on leg weakness can begin decades earlier, but its consequences become significantly more pronounced and challenging to manage after 60. Taking this one small step could make all the difference if you are a senior over 60 experiencing leg weakness, losing strength in your legs, or are concerned about maintaining your mobility and capability as you age, and want to discover which specific essential vitamins are crucial for building stronger legs fast. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell before we proceed with this life-altering information about the 3 essential vitamins for stronger legs fast in seniors over 60. Every week we offer important health insights, like this one that could significantly raise your standard of living, physical capability, and freedom to move with confidence. Are you prepared to discover the vitamin powerhouses for stronger legs fast in seniors over 60? Get ready. And I want to know whether you are with me if this video resonates with you. If you have felt that creeping leg weakness or reduced capability, tell me one activity you would do more often if your legs felt significantly stronger by typing it in the comments below. The encouraging reality: experiencing significant leg weakness is not an entirely inevitable part of aging for seniors over 60. You can actively support your leg strength and capability by ensuring sufficient intake of specific essential vitamins. There is immense hope for improving leg strength, enhancing stamina, and maintaining physical performance by prioritizing vitamins that are crucial for muscle function, nerve health, and energy production. The notion that age-related leg weakness is purely due to muscle mass loss is being challenged by recent discoveries, highlighting how specific vitamin deficiencies are prevalent in older adults and directly impact muscle quality, function, and neuromuscular control. According to numerous studies, consistently consuming foods rich in key vitamins can significantly improve muscle fiber function, support healthy nerve signaling to your legs, enhance energy metabolism in muscle cells, and contribute to bone health, all leading to reductions in weakness and improvements in leg strength and physical performance, sometimes showing effects relatively quickly. Researchers have found that certain vitamins are particularly crucial because they act as essential cofactors in fundamental processes that enable your leg muscles to contract effectively, your nerves to communicate clearly, and your body to generate energy. And seniors over 60 are at higher risk for suboptimal levels. Researchers today understand that while aging presents challenges, the rate of leg strength decline and the potential for improvement can be dramatically influenced by easy-to-implement methods centered around ensuring sufficient intake of specific essential vitamins. What if you knew that by focusing on ensuring sufficient intake of just 3 key vitamins, you can provide your leg muscles, nerves, and energy systems with the crucial support needed for powerful, functional legs, helping you feel stronger and more capable as a senior over 60? When it comes to achieving stronger legs fast in seniors over 60, strategically focusing on these 3 essential vitamins is a remarkably impactful strategy. Let's dive into the top 3 essential vitamins for stronger legs fast in seniors over 60. First, an absolute cornerstone for muscle function, strength, and balance. and a vitamin that seniors over 60 are very frequently deficient in. Vitamin D. While widely known for aiding calcium absorption and crucial for strong bones, providing the necessary framework for leg movement, vitamin D has a direct and powerful impact on muscle function. Muscle cells have vitamin D receptors, and adequate vitamin D levels are strongly associated with increased muscle strength, power, and improved physical performance, particularly in the lower body. Vitamin D deficiency is a significant contributor to muscle weakness, fatigue, reduced physical function, and is strongly linked to an increased risk of falls in older adults. Ensuring sufficient vitamin D helps your leg muscles contract more effectively and supports overall neuromuscular control needed for strength and stability. Addressing a deficiency can often lead to noticeable improvements relatively quickly. Where to find it? Sunlight exposure helps your body produce vitamin D, but this process is less efficient with age, and many seniors have limited sun exposure. Dietary sources are limited: fatty fish, salmon, sardines, fortified foods, milk, some plant-based milks, cereals, orange juice, and egg yolks. Due to low dietary sources and reduced sun synthesis, supplementation is very common and often necessary for seniors over 60 to achieve optimal levels. Consult your doctor about testing your levels and appropriate dosage. Correcting a deficiency can lead to improvements in muscle strength relatively fast. Second, essential for nerve function and energy metabolism, both critical for your leg muscles to work effectively, and a vitamin that seniors over 60 are at increased risk of deficiency due to absorption issues: vitamin B12. This vitamin plays a vital role in the health and maintenance of nerve cells and the protective myelin sheath around them. Healthy nerves are essential for transmitting clear, rapid signals from your brain to your leg muscles, enabling coordinated movement, balance, and strength. Vitamin B12 is also crucial for converting the food you eat into usable energy, preventing fatigue that limits your ability to use your leg muscles effectively. It's also required for red blood cell production, which carries oxygen throughout your body to fuel your muscles. Efficient oxygen transport is fundamental for stamina and performance. As seniors age, absorption of B12 from food can decrease. Deficiency can cause nerve problems, neuropathy, leading to numbness, tingling, balance issues, weakness, and fatigue, all directly impacting leg strength and function. Addressing a B12 deficiency can often lead to improvements in nerve function and energy, supporting leg strength relatively fast. Where to find it? Primarily found in animal products: meat, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy, fortified foods, some cereals, nutritional yeast. Plant-based milks are options for plant-based diets. Due to common absorption issues after 60, many seniors, regardless of diet, benefit significantly from B12 supplementation, oral or injections. Discuss this with your doctor. Third, a potent antioxidant crucial for collagen synthesis and supporting muscle function and repair. Vitamin C. While widely known for immune support, vitamin C is absolutely essential for the synthesis of collagen, the main protein in connective tissues, like tendons and ligaments that connect your leg muscles to your bones and provide structural support for joints. Healthy tendons and ligaments are crucial for transmitting the force generated by your leg muscles, contributing to overall strength and power. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect muscle cells and other tissues from damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress, processes that can hinder muscle function and recovery in aging legs. Ensuring sufficient vitamin C supports the structural integrity around your leg muscles and helps protect them from damage. contributing to better function and strength. Where to find it? Found in abundant amounts in colorful fruits, berries, citrus fruits, kiwi, bell peppers, broccoli, and leafy greens. Consuming these foods daily helps ensure adequate vitamin C intake, while not directly making muscles contract. Its role in collagen and antioxidant protection supports the overall health and function of the structures, enabling leg strength. These three essential vitamins, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and vitamin C, are crucial cofactors and components that support key biological processes, underpinning leg strength in seniors over 60, muscle contraction and power D, nerve signaling and energy B12, and connective tissue health and antioxidant protection C. By ensuring sufficient intake of these vitamins, particularly D and B12 where deficiency risk is high, you provide your leg muscles and the systems that control them with the necessary support to function more effectively, potentially leading to improvements in strength relatively fast. While other nutrients also play roles, these three address specific high-impact areas for aging legs. Your leg strength, stability, and physical capability tomorrow are profoundly influenced by the vitamin support you give your body today, especially as a senior over 60. Just accepting creeping leg weakness or reduced function isn't addressing the potential impact of vitamin deficiencies. Prioritizing sufficient intake of these three essential vitamins, D, B12, and C, provides crucial support for your leg muscles, nerves, and the structural components around them. Consistently ensuring you get enough of these vitamins can significantly improve muscle function, enhance coordination and balance, increase energy in your legs, and contribute to overall strength, helping you maintain vitality and capability, sometimes showing improvements fast compared to waiting. Keep in mind that while these vitamins are fundamental, they work synergistically with adequate protein intake, regular resistance exercise for the legs, and overall healthy lifestyle habits. Your leg health and strength will improve over time as you consistently prioritize these key vitamins. Don't wait until leg weakness significantly limits your daily activities, until reduced mobility prevents you from doing what you enjoy, or when you feel your legs are constantly losing power. The powerful reality: ensuring sufficient intake of these common, accessible vitamins, primarily through a varied diet and often supplementation for D and B12, may dramatically improve your leg muscle function, your stability, your physical capability, and your overall independence for decades to come. Far more than relying on chance or accepting decline. You literally hold the power through ensuring sufficient intake of these specific vitamins to support your leg strength and quality of life as a senior over 60. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell immediately if you thought this information was helpful and provided clear, actionable guidance on vitamins for stronger legs fast in seniors. We are always looking at the newest developments in nutrition, exercise science, longevity, and vibrant aging. Show this video to a loved one who is a senior over 60 and may be experiencing leg weakness, losing strength, or is concerned about maintaining their mobility. Their life might be changed by your simple act of sharing this powerful information. After learning about these vitamins, which one do you feel is most important for your leg strength goals right now? And why? Share your focus and reason in the comments below.